How a spaceship launches. A spaceship, or spacecraft, is launched into space using a rocket. The launch begins with the ignition of powerful engines that burn fuel to create thrust, pushing the rocket upward and overcoming Earth's gravity. The rocket typically has multiple stages, and as each stage runs out of fuel, it's detached to reduce weight, allowing the next stage to fire and continue the journey. Fuel used and consumption. Spacecraft typically use a combination of liquid and solid propellants. Common fuels include liquid hydrogen, LH2, and liquid oxygen, LOX, used in rockets like NASA's Space Launch System. RP-1, refined kerosene, and LOX, used in rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9. Solid propellants used in boosters for initial thrust, e.g. Space Shuttle solid rocket boosters. The amount of fuel varies by mission and rocket size. For example, the Saturn V rocket, used in Apollo missions, carried over 950,000 gallons of fuel. Falcon 9 uses around 500,000 liters of RP-1 and about 1,200,000 liters of LOX. Speed of a spaceship. To reach orbit, a spacecraft must travel at approximately 28,000 kilometers per hour, 17,500 miles per hour. For missions leaving Earth's orbit, interplanetary travel, speeds can reach 40,000 kilometers per hour, 25,000 miles per hour, or more, depending on the destination and mission profile. This is based on Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Rockets use two main types of fuel, liquid and solid. Liquid fuels like liquid hydrogen, LH2, and liquid oxygen, LOX, are highly efficient and often used by NASA, while RP-1, a refined kerosene, mixed with LOX, is commonly used in rockets like SpaceX's Falcon 9. Solid fuel is used in boosters that provide an initial powerful push. Rockets consume an enormous amount of fuel. For example, the Saturn V rocket used nearly 3 million liters, and Falcon 9 uses over 1.7 million liters of fuel in total. As the rocket ascends, it sheds parts called stages to reduce weight and increase speed. To reach Earth's orbit, a spacecraft must travel at around 28,000 kilometers per hour, and to leave Earth entirely, it must reach escape velocity, about 40,000 kilometers per hour. Once in space, the rocket's job is done, and the spaceship or satellite continues its journey alone, either orbiting Earth or heading towards other planets. The remaining rocket parts either fall back to Earth or burn up in the atmosphere. This incredible process is the first step towards space exploration, satellite deployment, and deep space missions.